Oklahoma is working its way up the list when it comes to whitewater rafting and kayaking. A partnership between the Walton Family Foundation and Waters of Oklahoma and Arkansas, WOCA, is ensuring that trend continues. "We're just inside the border from Arkansas," said Grand River Dam Authority CEO Dan Sullivan. This project wouldn't have happened without the cooperation of the city of Siloam Springs and the state of Arkansas. The 30-acre park will include a 1,200-foot-long channel alongside the river with 8 drop features, but don't expect this to be a trip you make once. "We're in an active river," Sullivan said. "We'll have a gate that will meter some of the water flow, so that will help change it from a Class 2 to a Class 3 water feature. That means every time you visit, the course will look slightly different." The Walton Family Foundation is paying for 95% of the park's construction. This will be a national caliber tourism destination in a few short years, Governor Kevin Stitt said. "I want to personally thank the Walton Family Foundation for its support of underwriting this amazing gift to the region. The gift isn't just in construction. 85,000 visitors are expected each year at WOCA, and those people will need lunch, maybe hotels. In all, about $1 million a year will be infused into the communities near Siloam Springs." Sullivan said this project works alongside a few others to help get Oklahomans outdoors. The fact that Oklahoma City has one, the fact that the city of Tulsa wants to have one with the low water dam on the Arkansas River, with our features, it's going to create additional opportunities for people to get out and enjoy the nature and beauty of Oklahoma, Sullivan said. The Walton Family Foundation is rooted in several generations of family, where no voice is louder than the next and different opinions are valued. By applying this legacy to our work, we are redefining the way philanthropy collaborates with grantees and communities to take on some of the world's biggest problems. We do this by bringing diverse perspectives to the same table: caregivers and conservationists, educators and entrepreneurs, farmers and futurists, doers and dreamers. By listening to and learning from their experiences, we can reach a shared understanding and create innovative solutions that achieve true impact. We work in 3 areas: strengthening the connections between K-12 education and lifelong opportunity, protecting rivers, oceans, and the communities they support, and advancing our home region of Northwest Arkansas and the Arkansas-Mississippi Delta. In 2020, the foundation awarded $749.5 million in grants to further our mission. We have offices in Bentonville, Arkansas, Washington, D.C., Jersey City, New Jersey, and Denver, Colorado. The city says construction is on schedule for the whole project, which includes big upgrades to Zink Lake. Bynum said the lake will be 8 to 10 feet deep at the dam and extend 3 miles to the north, going past downtown. Aside from looking forward to all the fun, the mayor said the new dam will help mitigate floodwaters, keeping everyone safer too. "We are actually decreasing the flood risk to Tulsa from what it has been for the last 40 years by putting in a dam with gates all the way across," Bynum said. Voters approved this $48 million Vision Tulsa project back in 2016.